So yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So this video gonna be like how I wash my bike using buckets. No holes gonna be in this video, it's just gonna be like I need some tire. I did some burnout the other day. But pretty soon I'm gonna need tires. Tires about gone. So what I do, I start at the wheel. Like soap it up, get most of the dirt off from the wheel. So you're gonna need a little seat. So I bring out my altar case that I got my car computer in, and this just so you can be comfortable while doing what you're doing, because it's gonna take a while, because you know it's your baby. You want to make sure to get every little bit of whatever it is that need to be clean. So I have wheel cleaner. Link will be in the description. I got this off Amazon. I'm just gonna spray the rim. If you spray it on the brake, nothing that's gonna happen. So I wouldn't worry about the brake too much. Just try to get it on the rim as much as possible. Go on the other side. Do the same thing for the other side. And it's not gonna eat the rim or anything. It's not. I cleaned my car with it and it didn't do anything bad to the rims other than make it look shine. That's all it did. Now see, this one is about done either way, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Also, I have this thing that I bought online. Link will be in the description. You can put the wheel on it and rotate it if you want. Put that there, you can rotate the wheel to get the other spot. So guys, washing the motorcycle, get some of this, spray it on their wheel. That I'm gonna link that in the description, because you can turn the wheel while it's on that, because I don't have a motorcycle stand. Get some soap. Yes, baby? Huh? Your belly full? Okay. So I made breakfast and give my daughter. She said her belly full, so I guess that's it. She ain't eating no more for now. And that's her way of telling me she don't want no more. So just brush it around here. You can brush this too if you want. You won't be able to get, you would have to rotate the wheel to get at the top right there. So do the same thing to the other side of the tire. So you can get this. This cycle will help you get in behind the rotors like that. I guess I don't need to rotate the tire with this. But this is gonna help you to get up in tight spot. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video by Chemical, guys. I just find their products really good, so that's why I use their product to clean my car, and now I'm using it on my bike. And they sell different kits too, if you want to get different kits. So after you do all that, just wanna get something like this that you can get into the spot. Just go over it just to get it real good. And remember, you can always rotate the bike. I mean the tire with that little thing down there. For the front, it worked kind of good. For the front, I mean, as you see, I rotated the tire, but it constantly shifts because so much weight in the front. But in the back, it worked perfect. It doesn't move at all. It's just the wheel rotate. Okay, so we're gonna rotate the tire. So guys, you don't want to let the soap dry on the bike. So now that I washed the wheel, I'm just gonna go ahead and just rinse it off, just like that, so the soap don't dry on the ring, like that. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side and rotate the wheel and wash it and rinse it off. So guys, I rinsed it off. Now I'm gonna move to the back wheel and do the back wheel. Bike is in gear, so I gotta take it out of gear. So guys, my phone just got hot. I don't know if you see the process of me putting this on this, but the reason I put it on that is so I can spin the wheel while I'm cleaning it. So same thing you do to the front wheel, guys, you do the same thing to the back. Also, I'm gonna clean my chain Which I think I should have cleaned the chain before I start doing this process. But rotate the wheel. So guys, I just put this little mark right here on the chain, just so I know when I rotate the chain and I see that back, I know I had sprayed on the whole bike. So the next thing we want to do, guys, is just wet up the bike so all the dirt can like soften up a little bit. Then we're gonna soap it up. So guys, I washed both tires and I also cleaned my chain. You can see it's really clean. Yep, it's clean. So next thing is to soap up the rest of the bike, and then that's that. So you basically soap it up like you're washing a car, pretty much. So pretty much it's just time to dry off the bike after you soap it up like a car. This is new, so it's leaving back some green stuff on it. I don't know if you can see it, like right here, you can see this green stuff. Because this is new, it's still fuzzing. But yep,